So Harold, tell me, what are some of your favorite parts about the crash course?
Well, speaking for myself, I have to say I love teaching and talking about the publishing business and the things that I care about because this is my world, So I'm very excited to be able to talk about books and the kinds of books and how our whole industry works. And that to me is a favorite thing. But another thing that's really important, and this is maybe more relevant to a student, is I love the fact that when I go to any of the highlights workshops, although the crash course maybe this is even more so, there are a small group of students and there's several faculty. And that kind of ratio is really special to be able to talk to people at meals, not just during the time when we're doing presenting, but also, just informally. And people can get to know us and find out what we're interested in, even outside of our jobs. And that to me is just a really nice part of the experience, that I'm not rushed into an auditorium to do a 1 hour presentation and then rushed off to another one. And, frankly, some conferences I go to, the faculty don't even eat with the students. We eat in a separate place. But at highlights, we're all there together for the days that we're there. And it's just such a great experience to get to know people and not just be speaking out to a room.
Yeah, and we've recently uploaded on our website a video about the highlights experience, and there's some drone footage so you can actually see what the campus looks like, and there are photos to give you a sense of what the retreat center looks like, the barn. I mean, we are out there kind of in the middle of rural Pennsylvania on 1,300 acres, so it's very much has that retreat center feel to it.
Absolutely. I mean, that's personally, that's one of my favorite things about it, that I get to go out into the country, and we always have time, weather permitting, to go on walks into the woods or along the roads, and that makes it a very different kind of experience than, if you're in a hotel conference center somewhere. It's great to be able to do that.
The word community is one we hear a lot when people come to the Highlights Foundation, and they feel that sense of camaraderie that develops by sharing a meal, by being together for 3 full days, and by spending your time together. You also talked about the faculty, and we do have a number of short video clips on the Highlights Foundation website with some sample lessons from the faculty, as well as our bios of the faculty who will be with us this year. I'm really excited for Leah Henderson, Matthew Winter, who's bringing an interesting perspective as a librarian, and Rachel Werner, who's done a lot with the social media piece, and she's going to give a short talk on her social media approach. So I think we really have a well-rounded crash course set up for this March.
Right, that's right. It's great to have those folks coming out and joining us, but I also just want to mention that, the folks who come out from the Highlights, the magazine, Lindsay Barrett-George, who talks about the illustration process, that's also bringing really valuable information that students find very useful.
Thank you.